Hi, I'm Megan Stone. I'm a local real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast of Florida. I love showing you guys every single week why I love the Treasure Coast so much. And normally I will show you guys different videos of what's selling in the area and what's unique about the area. And so today I wanted to take you on something that I love, and I think it's such a unique thing here on the Treasure Coast. This is actually an opportunity where you can go horseback riding directly on the beach. So we are in Fort Pierce, kind of South Hutchinson Island, just south of the jetty. And I will put the link down below, but I want to take you on a wonderful quick tour of the beaches. I get a lot of questions from people all the time saying, what are the beaches like? And what are some different things to do here on the Treasure Coast? You may be wondering, is this really sanitary? Do you want to go to the beaches after seeing all these horses ride on the beach? If you see one of the guides that has a long stick with a kind of a basket at the end, they clean up all the manure as we're going along. So the beaches are so clean. So if you were thinking about making a move to the Port St. Lucie, Treasure Coast area, please reach out to me. I love meeting people like you guys every single day from my YouTube channel, talking to you about why I love the Treasure Coast so much and helping you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. Feel free to give me a call, text, email, set up a calendar appointment, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.